6 benefits of having advanced Excel skills that will make you stand out. Are you a finance officer, accountant, project manager, business analyst, data analyst, researcher, engineer, or are you involved in data analysis in one way or another? Do you have advanced Excel skills? Most organizations use Excel to handle data, statistics, money, and even to evaluate how products and services are doing in the market. Excel enables the users to organize, calculate, and evaluate quantitative data, which is useful when making important decisions. Having advanced skills in Excel enables you to present information to the management in a better way, and it is also a critical skill if you want to climb up the ladder in your career. As an employee, you will realize that many job openings require you to possess advanced Excel skills. Having Excel skills will not only enable you to get a job, but will also be advantageous to you in the following ways. 1. Sharpen skill set. Advanced Excel focuses on critical skills that are utilized and valued by many organizations. Taking up an Excel training will enable you to create equations and provide more data on vital company functions like project efficiency and financial projections. You can also design spreadsheets that provide a clear picture of the information that is input and create tracking systems for different departments and operations. These skills will provide you with tools and allow you to work more effectively. 2. Improve efficiency and productivity. Excel allows employees to deal and do calculations, and this speeds up productivity. Understanding Excel at an advanced level means that you will be able to use more sophisticated tools and complete tasks and analyze data quickly. You will also update the team members, hence streamlining the workflow process. 3. Great value. Having advanced Excel skills means that you are a valuable employee because of productivity, and this provides you with job security and opens other opportunities for advancement. For you to be successful at your place of work, it is good to be more efficient and be skilled. You can achieve this by enrolling in an advanced Excel course that will help you be equipped and protect you from being replaced with professionals with advanced skill sets. 4. Better data organization. A spreadsheet is a better tool for data collection and analysis. Excel is spreadsheet software that allows you to organize information and sort information that can easily be analyzed and transferred to graphs or charts for better viewing. 5. Eases work. The more proficient you are in Excel, the easier you will navigate through the system because of shortcuts that make work easier. The better equipped you are to perform various tasks, the more likely you will enjoy your work, and studies show that happier employees are 20% more productive than unhappy workers. 6. Employability benefits. Employers are keen on special skills during the recruitment process. Employers prioritize candidates with Excel because most companies depend on these programs for communication, documentation, project management, and performance tracking. Improving your Excel skills will not only make your job easier but also boost you against the competition when you are applying for a job. Learn Microsoft